So I'm currently in a place called Tancock, just on the outskirts of Ninh Binh. I've done a 5-kilometre bike ride through the hills, pretty sweaty, and I'm about to board my next mode of transport, one of these trustworthy boats here, and I'm about to head off into the amazing limestone landscapes, into the jungle, to go find some amazing birds. Let's go. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but we've just made our way around this bend on this river, and there's just birds everywhere. Absolutely stunning.